All right, I'm going to show you one of my favorite parts of this Mathigon polypad that's using the algebra tiles. Now, I really enjoy creating visual demonstrations of all these binomial products, special products, which I'll show you a bit later on as well. So it's easy as, grabbing, pen's not working, grabbing your tiles. So there is X, and make this one X plus 3. So just they snap into place quite nicely. There's X plus 3. Here is X minus 2. I can use the drawing function just quickly to just reinforce that's X minus 2. This is X plus 3. And what I'm going to do, delete those two, is now just use it as a bit of a matrix and just show that, X times X makes X squared. X times 1, that gives us just X, and we'll get 3 of those. X times minus 1, well, that's minus X. We can rotate this. Another one there. Not that in place. And 1, so 1 times negative 1 gives me negative 1, and we can assume that they will all equate to the same minus 1 answer. So I'm just going to create that. And there is our visual representation. So you can show that, and then you can even start to really just pull this apart. I'm just going to bring these over. Just disconnect these 3 for a second. Bring these side by side. And normally what we would show algebraically is that first level of the foil, like the expansion of it. And we can see we've got X squared plus 3X. I'm just going to put here a plus and then just put in minus 2X plus all those together is minus 6. Normally we wouldn't do it that way, but looks okay for now. Gets better, we're just going to copy that, bring it down again. And what these tiles can do, you can actually lay them over. And you can see the minus X nullified that X, so I'm left over now with X squared plus X minus 6 overall. There's a nice visual way of showing that one. We can even go into our special products, another one that I really enjoy doing. In this one here, I'm going to show you how to use a different function. So what I did here was I actually created a rectangle or a square shape using the geometry aspect of this. And what you can do with all the shapes is you can actually cut them. So what I'm going to do is just cut down that X and Y line. Repeat the process. Trying to get it accurate as possible. I think I'm a bit wonky on that one. Try that again. That's the cursor I'm looking for. So as you can see, I'm just going to cut all this up. Normally it will give you a nice, that's the icon I'm wanting for my mouse cursor. So what you can see now is got my tiles nicely cut up. You can visually see what x plus y all squared is. You can even bring in the algebraic tiles to just reinforce visually what's going on. To just show what that end product is. Pretty neat. Difference of two squares. Really good visual that we can use. I've kind of just, again, used some shapes that I'm going to cut up, and I've kind of show that I can overlay these. So again, I'm just going to cut this shape up. I'm going to take y squared away from x squared. And you can see I'm left over with this here and that there. What I want to do clearly is turn it, rotate it, connect it back up. So we can see that y squared has been removed from x squared there. And what I'm left over with is clearly x plus y. And this was the original x minus the y result. And there is visually how you can show difference of two squares and perfect squares. Hope you enjoyed that one.